Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your income and your expenses on the MoneyCoach app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open the MoneyCoach app, and then you have to go to the reports section. And in the report section, as you can see, there are a few report categories that are only available with a premium subscription, but most of them are obviously available with the free subscription as well. Now we are looking for the income versus expense category, which is here in the middle. And when you tap on it, here you can see a table with all your different expenses and incomes. I just started using this app, so I only have these 3 data points: housing expense, entertainment expense, and general income. So here are my expenses and my income. So that's how you can check it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.